Hey guys, so I thought I'd do a quick review of the new GlamGlow SuperToner Exfoliating Acid Solution, which is basically like a toner that has some good exfoliants in there. And it does have some good exfoliants in there, and I've used it now a couple of days, and I think 2 days is all I can handle of it, to be honest. First, the packaging is very nice. My second criteria is alcohol, and unfortunately in this, denatured alcohol is the second ingredient, and when you use it, you can really feel it and smell it. And I will say I used it last night, and my dog jumped up on the counter and grabbed my cotton ball down and rolled himself around in it. He liked it. And in terms of fragrance, it has some fragrance. It's got a peppermint scent to it. It also has eucaluptys, and then fragrance in and of itself, limonene and linalool. So it's quite fragrant, very minty. Which isn't always the best for your skin. So my first two main criteria it kind of flunks at, which is disappointing. It is manufactured in the USA, so no issues with that. Ease of use, it's very easy to use. You want to give it a good shake to shake up everything in there. It's kind of a fun little bottle, but very easy to use. You just want to damp a cotton ball or a cotton pad and then smooth it over your skin. Clean skin after you cleanse. And then after you'd use this, you would go on to your serums, moisturizers, any treatments you use. So it's relatively easy to use. In terms of antioxidants and beneficial ingredients, it's got a lot. Salicylic acid, mandelic acid, glycolic acid, lactic acid, tartaric acid, algae. It's got a lot of good ingredients in there. It's just unfortunate those fall on the ingredient list way down after the denatured alcohol and water, which make up the majority of the product. In terms of animal testing, the GlamGlow brand is not cruelty-free. In terms of performance, it left my skin feeling super dry, red, and this morning my skin is still super dry. And to be honest, I like to try products before I look too much at the ingredient list, just because if I see fragrance on the ingredient list, I know I'm going to be looking for it. So I try things first, but had I looked at this ingredient list, I probably wouldn't have used it at all 2 times. So probably wouldn't have used it the first time. The second time I was like, well, I just got to try it one more time because that was bad. So I did it twice, and I won't be doing that again. So really left my skin feeling red and dry. In terms of price, this is the full size, which is 7 ounces, I believe, and it sells for 6.7 ounces. It retails for $42, but do some Googling if you're going to pick this up or their newer product, because you can get some good coupons online, so check those out. I'll be reviewing this one too. This one did a little bit better, so anyway, so it is a little pricey, but a little bit goes a long way, but still a little bit pricey for a toner. And then the it factor, obviously I really didn't like this too much. I did pH test it, and it came out right about 3, a little bit more acidic. I think it's pretty close to 3, which to be a good exfoliator, it should fall around between 3 and 4, but this is pretty close to 3, which might be a little bit acidic, more acidic than necessary. But overall, it gave this a 4 out of 10 preliminary, and I don't think I'll be using it again because I don't think my poor dry skin can handle it, especially when it's super cold and wintry outside. So anyway, I'm interested if you guys have a chance to try this. I'll be reviewing this guy soon, tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. I've got some new things coming, new shirts. Anyway, so check out nobsbeauty.com. I've got some more products, so let me know if there's anything you want me to review. I've got some good molecules, which are new to Beautylish. So I've got some of those. I've got several of the new Sephora products, so I'll be reviewing those too. I don't know. I've got a ton of new Estee Lauder products, so I don't know. Let me know what you guys are interested in hearing about. So leave a comment anyway. Urban Skin RX, which is new coming to Ulta. So stay tuned for more. Anyway, so check out nobsbeauty.com and the Amazon link below, and leave a comment. Thank you guys so much.